Hello, this is Cyndi Coon again, and I'm going to begin part 3 of my reading from AI Futures, an anthology from my chapter that is titled The Future of AI Emerges Out of Creativity and Community. So let's pick up where we left off. This is now part 3. Moving beyond AI's role as a mere toolkit, AI has fast become my personal muse and co-collaborator in my creative process. I get so much more out of using AI than just looking something up on a search engine. The impact of AI in my creativity is not just theoretical, it's evident in the new artistic expressions that have been born in my creativity that's been mashed up with AI's algorithmic capabilities. I produced more in 2023 as first drafts than any previous year. I have had a running list of ideas and things that I would like to create in the world for years now. And I got to see more of them get proper beginnings in this last year instead of just sitting idly in a folder. They were given life. This is a personal breakthrough, highlighting the potential of AI as a force multiplier in my own creativity, demonstrating to me that AI can contribute and co-create with me in a meaningful and imaginative way. As AI continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, its role as a partner in the creative process will only deepen, leading to more works that challenge my own perceptions of what I am capable of. In this age of AI, I feel very strongly that creativity is not being replaced. It's being refined. AI is not taking over the creative process. It's enhancing it, infusing it with new possibilities. Much like things, we have the reading from the book Story Hour. Pause. Much like photography and Photoshop, both were once feared, yet now they're accepted tools of their industry and art forms. AI will end up being the same, I'm sure. Just a cool tool that we creatives use. So, what does this mean for creatives who are not techie or experts in AI? Making AI accessible to non-experts has been my personal priority, demonstrating to other creatives that AI is a toolkit of tomorrow, but it's only a toolkit, like any other. AI allows personal narratives to be expressed in entirely new formats. This new AI era brings with it a democratization of creativity, making artistic expression more accessible. AI is not just for the tech savvy or the artistically adept. It's for everyone who has great big curiosity and likes to play. This inclusivity stems from AI's ability to speak a universal language that transcends technical jargon and complex interfaces. Current AI tools are designed so very basic that anyone can jump in. They often come with intuitive interfaces that allow users to interact with the AI without understanding the underlying algorithms. These AI tools break down barriers that once made technology seem inaccessible, enabling a far broader range of people to engage in creative pursuits. Looking into the future, we can anticipate a new generation of platforms that further simplify AI's use in creativity, democratizing creativity even further for all. These tools will likely integrate more deeply with natural human voices. Think voice command, gesture recognition, and emotional feedback systems. Imagine a creative compositional tool that adjusts offering based on your mood or suggests narrative twists based on your storytelling style. It's coming. It is coming, and it is the future. And if embraced properly, it can be a lot of fun. Advancements in AI will also lead to more personalized, creative experiences. Future platforms will tailor their functions to individual users, learning their preferences, their styles from their past creations to create personalized, co-built tools. This personalization would make the creative process even more fun, like having a studio mate around who really knows your style and can give you supportive ideas to boost your productivity. At the same time, AI handles the research, sourcing of materials, and support in the creative process. This assistant allows users to focus on the essence of their creations. The excitement I feel around generative AI's impact on creativity lies in the personal stories of those who I have been co-creating with. I'm so excited to see what the future holds for creatives to mess around in and in this space build new worlds that they'll be able to share. As AI continues to evolve, it promises to usher in a future where creativity is not limited by technical skill or background or access to these resources. It's a future where the joy of creation is available to all who seek it, where the capabilities of AI amplify the power of imagination. In this future, everyone can be a dreamer, a creator, or an artist. And everyone can build and make things. This is the essence of democratizing creativity. AI for all, unlocking potential within each of us to bring in new ideas, stories, and art into the world. As we embrace collaboration between AI and creativity, navigating the ethical bias accompanying this toolkit is also crucial to consider. Integrating AI in creative endeavors raises questions about authorship, authenticity, and the value of art, surely. But who better to slog through it first than creatives? Who is the true creator? When an AI generates a piece of art, how do we attribute value and credit to such collaborations? These questions form the bedrock of our moral inquiry into the role of AI in creativity, and many more curious questions. Concerns do arise regarding bias and representation in AI systems and how they learned and evolve based on the data they're fed. As AI is trained on limited and skewed data sets, producing art that perpetuates stereotypes and exudes certain ideas that are limiting and excludes certain perspectives. It's imperative to ensure that AI systems are exposed to diverse, inclusive data sets, reflecting the rich tapestry of human lived experience and expression. These are definitely ethical challenges for AI and creativity, but built on systems of transparency, inclusivity, and collaboration, as a society, we can guide the expansion of AI and participate in it. Creatives should be clear about the role AI plays in their work. This includes disclosing the use of AI tools and the extent of AI's involvement in your creative process. This transparency fosters trust, and it helps audiences appreciate the collaborative nature of AI-assisted creations. AI tools used in creative endeavors should be trained on diverse data sets, ensuring they don't perpetuate these bias and exclude certain groups or perspectives as they do now. The role my human intuition plays. The relationship between human intuition and AI insights in my creative process is delicate. While AI can augment human creativity with its vast computational power and data processing capabilities, it's essential to understand that the primacy of human intuition and emotion must be maintained. My creativity is a blend of my human emotion, my ingenuity, and now my AI efficiency. AI enhances and extends my human ideas so that as a creative, I can have a first draft of my vision. This balance requires a conscious effort to ensure that AI remains a toolkit and a collaborator rather than a replacement for my human creativity. Right now, it can't get there without me. It needs prompts and requires adaptation and multiple rounds. AI can't spell well at all right now, and it can't understand what I'm giving and understand its visual art. Not yet. Leveraging AI to explore new creative avenues while retaining the emotional depth and personal touch that only I, the human creator, can impart is the most important thing to hold on to. We can all help by jumping into these AI tools and pushing the balance of understanding and thought in machine learning. This inclusivity enriches the creative output and reflects the commitment to the social responsibility while collaborating with AI in creativity. AI should be viewed as a collaborative partner that brings new capabilities. At the same time, humans remain the heart of the creative process, guiding the AI and infusing the creations with personalized vision and emotional depth. An important consideration that all of us should maintain is vigilance on respecting privacy and ethical data usage, which should be paramount and at the top of everyone's thoughts. This includes being mindful of data sources used to train AI systems and ensuring that personal and sensitive information is handled responsibly. Encouraging AI to unlock new creative potentials rather than replacing human creativity. This fosters an environment where AI inspires humans to explore uncharted creative territories. A beginner's futuristic toolkit, introducing AI tools with a twist of imagination. Embarking on your creative journey with AI can be both exhilarating and daunting. The first step is acquainting yourself with the tools of this new trade. Imagine a toolbox not filled with hammers and screwdrivers, but instead one filled with ones and zeros, algorithms and interfaces that open doors to worlds of creativity you have never explored before. Start with AI platforms designed for beginners, such as ChatGPT, or check out AI tools built inside of programs such as Canva. Look for tools with user-friendly interfaces, ones that require minimal technical knowledge. Also, look for tools with no fees to sign up during the trial period. This will allow you to play and explore with more things before committing to one tool. These can range from AI-assisted drawing apps that help you sketch to simple music composition software where you can experiment with different instruments and genres while guided by AI suggestions. The key is finding a platform that resonates with your creative goals and feels intuitive. Try lots of different tools to see which ones spark your imagination the most. As you begin, remember that the goal is not perfection, but play. Imagination and exploration. AI creativity is about experimenting, making mistakes, and learning from them. Start with a small project or a simple idea to understand how the AI tools work. For instance, if you're using AI writing tools, begin by asking AI to help you write an outline. If it's an AI art tool, ask for a simple sketch before moving on to more complex compositions. Try it and see what happens. Don't hesitate to push the boundaries of the AI tools you're playing with. They don't have feelings. Try unconventional inputs and prompts to see how AI responds. This playful experimentation can lead to unexpected and often inspiring results. This is also a great way to understand the capabilities and limitations of AI. To ignite your creative spark, here are some project ideas to start your play sessions. Use an AI writing tool to generate AI ideas for science fiction stories. Play with themes like space travel, artificial intelligence, or futuristic societies. Let the AI suggest an outline, plot elements, or character traits to create a unique narrative to kick off your story. Explore digital art with an AI creation tool. Create a series of art images that depict your vision of the future. This could be futuristic cityscapes, imagined alien life forms, or abstract representation of future technologies depicted visually. Experiment with an AI music composition tool to create a piece of music that sounds like it came from the future. Mix genres, experiment with unusual instruments, and let AI harmonize your creation. If you're interested in fashion, use an AI tool to design clothing or accessories. Think about how fashion might evolve with this technology. Consider incorporating elements such as sustainability, wearable technology, or futuristic materials in your designs. Maybe you have a dusty novel or a screenplay that could feed into AI and give it a refreshed life. These ideas are just starting points to get the juices flowing. The true joy of creativity and co-creation with AI lies in designing your own path, guided by your interests and imagination. As you embark on this journey, remember that each creation is a step towards understanding the vast potential of AI in augmenting human creativity. Embrace this new frontier. With an open mind and a playful heart, and let your imagination with AI's capabilities lead you into uncharted creative territories. As I venture beyond my current creative practices, AI stands as an untapped potential, signaling a future brimming with possibilities for me. Fusing AI with my creativity is not about enhancing only my existing practice. It's about birthing entirely new concepts for me. I'm curious about AI's collaboration to co-create and interact with, and I'm thinking about multi-sensory experiences that will defy traditional categories that we've created inside of so far. The curiosity of what AI might offer each time I engage pushes me further, and my practice that an art material or new tool alone could never do. I am so curious about what other creatives will do with the emergence of AI as a co-creator, such as immersive theater, where the storyline and characters adapt in real time to the audience reactions, blurring the lines between performer and spectator. Across the globe, I know many creatives are already collaborating with AI to push their boundaries of what could be creative. Ideas like art installations that use AI to translate audience emotions into visual patterns, and AI that composes music based on the brainwaves of the listeners, turning their thoughts and feelings into whole symphonies. Architects are using AI to conceptualize structures that would be impossible to build with traditional methods. These buildings are aesthetically groundbreaking. They are optimized for sustainability, demonstrating how AI can contribute to solving complex challenges. The future is going to be so visually interesting. The possibilities of AI-driven creativity are vast as imagination itself. I can envision AI systems that will generate entire visual worlds, rich with detail and complexity, offering new platforms for storytelling and exploration, all co-designed between AI and the human partner. In these worlds, the narratives can be non-linear, evolving based on users' interactions, creating unique story worlds and personal experiences for every unique individual. This is so exciting to think about because it expands how I get to build my own creations, knowing I can further adapt for personalization. In the future, I imagine creating with AI art that responds to environmental or social changes, offering a powerful medium for raising awareness or driving change, connecting back to my social practice roots. The art could take many forms, from interactive street art to changes with the weather to large-scale installations that reflect real-time global data. It's fun to let my imagination wander down the paths of all the things I can create drafts of using AI. AI's here for me to get the party started, so I can see things and advance them from idea to reality faster than ever. I can see how AI can revolutionize how we perceive and interact with art. With the integration of augmented reality and virtual reality, AI could allow us to step inside art, experience music with visual and tactile forms, or see stories unfold around us in a 360-degree environment. As we move beyond the present time horizon, AI is not just a tool for creating, but a gateway to new expressions and experiences. It invites us to dream bigger, to imagine the unimagined, and to pioneer new spaces for creativity.